bunch of boom, boom, boom. Cocoa stands and chocolate for the cereal. Up to towel and chocolate favorite cereal. Crazy crack, crazy crack, crazy crack, crazy crack, crazy ever care. Lucky leprechaun tricks, rabbit kookaburra with friends under seats. Next up, it's see different than fur. Silly rabbit tricks for kids to mash a good delicious school for coconuts. Lots of lucky charms to mash a good delicious.
Boom, 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 boom.
Hey Mom, can we go to Chick-fil-A because I'm hungry? Sure, Lenny Loud, you've been a brave girl, so let's go.
Hello, welcome to Chick-fil-A. How may I help you?
I would like to have a grilled chicken sandwich, large waffle chips, and Diet Coke please because I'm a vegetarian. And I would like to have 12-piece chicken nuggets, large waffle chips, chocolate milk and a chocolate chip biscuit please.
Okay, there's a $5 and 20 minutes left.
Here you go. Lenny Loud, good job for behaving at Chick-fil-A, you're ungrounded. Thanks, you're smart. Lenny Loud, I'm so proud of you that you went to Chick-fil-A, you're not grounded. Thanks you Mom and Dad, you're the best.
You're welcome.
Today I get making some nuggets of fries for lunch today.
But after that, you should cook some lunch. And there we have it. Delicious flavors.
Tastes really good. I'll give it to Linky. Bottle cap right out of the corner. Wow, because the taxes are pump up.
Pooh, pow, chicka, 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 pow.
If you know what that means. Sonny's Cooper. Oh, it's a lot of go. This is about 12 minutes. Lily Loud, Coitos. Right up here.
Poo poo? Yeah, I did see every line is several sequences. Alright, let's get eatable and delicious.
Alright, let's get video with this for 20 minutes each. This is in stock. This is a fine. I got this. And this is Twix cereal. Sichang, I'm hearing it because it will be silly and learn. Is that right? No dirty butt pants.
Did you calling me to dirty butt pants?
No, I call you a poopy pants. No, Sichang. Do not calling your poopy pants either. What about crappy pants? Nope. Or dirty cleany pants? No, not that either. Get out of the way. And kick out. Sichang, I'm super mad at you because it's silly and learn and calling Lenny Loud in first name. You are punishing to a pig's fly. Have to see you till we get some more. No. Okay, I'm about to go back. I'm busy. Adelaide, don't be sad about that. Let's see. Pump it up and go. A little bit more. A little bit. Where is he?
Wait, what? Where's my daughter? Oh, here we go.
Ah, what a wonderful day, my friends. So when you're in a family as big as mine, you can't eat whenever you want, and sometimes my 10 sisters can annoy me sometimes, but I have to get over it.
Lincoln, what about that?
Try use the ice cream chocolate chips. Get the piece of clay off and get it happen. Let me see.
Punch, boom.
Yeah, what's up?
You know, I've been looking at your butt for about a week. I was wondering if I could have it.
Ew, what do you mean? No!
I mean, like, just give me your butt.
No!
Give me that butt.
No!
Give me that butt.
No! Give me that butt! Give me that butt!
Meanwhile. Alright, team up. Sonny's Cooper. Give it a real one. Yeah.
Give me that butt!
Oh, that's not fair.
Give me that butt.
What?
Back to the